Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you like coffee?
No, I don't.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can.
What do you want?
I want some water.
Can I sit here?
Yes, you can.
What day is it today?
It's Friday.
Can I open it?
Yes, you can.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
How much is it?
It's $10.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am.
What do you need?
I need a pen.
How was your trip?
It was fun.
Who is she?
She is my cousin.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Are you sad?
No, I'm not.
What is that?
That's a clock.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Where are you going?
I'm going to college.
Can I talk to you?
Yes, you can talk to me.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.